Screwing up metadata in electronic discovery is actually really easy to do, especially with hard drives. This hard drive here has, I don't know, a couple hundred documents on it with metadata that it's preserved. But if I hook this hard drive up to this computer now and start poking around in it, especially through Windows, you'll start to see the metadata be altered, like the last access date, the modified date, and sometimes even the created date if you go through and try and make copies. There's a really easy way to avoid this from happening. It's by using a device called a write blocker. What we're going to use here to show this example with is a Tableau forensic USB bridge. It's a pretty easy device. It acts as a write blocker between the computer and the hard drive. So it disables the hard drive from putting any writes to the actual drive. So you can open up files all you want, but you can't actually modify them. So you can poke around, you can see what's on the drive without fear of spoiling any of the data. So the way it works is you turn it on, you plug in the hard drive to the write blocker, and then you plug the write blocker directly into your computer. It comes up recognized, as you can see here, and you can poke around in the drive just like you normally would. We're going to go ahead and open up an editable file. See, you can open up these files. But you can't edit them. So we'll open up this text-based file and we'll try and type some information in, or maybe we'll just try and delete it all and then save it. Hard to see that, but it says access to this is denied. And it gives you the opportunity to save it, which you can't actually do. And all the system level dates are preserved. The date last accessed will be the date that it was originally on the hard drive. Again, this device is about $270. Well worth it, especially when it comes to potentially spoiling your evidence.